know that when Anders and myself have the feeling in the car, we are fighting in the top. We have proved that many times, winning several rallies both on gravel and on tarmac. So it's all about getting that good feeling, and if we get that, I'm sure we will be up there fighting.
It's going to be an exciting year. Back to you, Andrea. The boys all sound very confident. They sound as if they're well set for the year. Tell us a little bit about Monte Carlo, because, you know, as I said earlier, you've only been in the job for a few weeks. What are we expecting to see from your team? What do you expect to see from your team in Monte Carlo?
We go to every race to win, so nothing else than this.
It would be a lovely way to start your career with it, wouldn't it? To start your career. You've been there a long time.
I'm not big focused on myself. I'm not focusing there to start my career. I'm much older to win. I'm there to work for Hyundai Motorsport, so I love there to see Hyundai Motorsport winning Monte Carlo. That is a different aspect.
In terms of Hyundai Motorsport, there was a lot of talk at the end of last year about the pressure that was on the motorsport side of the business from the board in Korea. How much are they demanding success from you this year? Is it absolutely that you have to deliver a title this year?
First of all, I say to everyone that my first role in Hyundai Motorsport is to be the shelter. Because as you say, there are too many talks. I want to see people focus on their daily job, focus to win. My job is to shelter my people. So I will manage the pressure, I will manage the talks, and I will want to see my people thinking about win and stay calm and relaxed, knowing that someone is managing the thing.